Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now, news coming out of the JFF is that Demarai Gray, yes, Demarai Gray from Everton over there in the EPL will be putting on the Jamaican colours very soon. So, English-born winger Demarai Gray is in the process of getting his citizenship and his passport from the PICA offices. So, we're in for some good news for the next World Cup qualification window. For those that don't know, Demarai Gray is a young, exciting winger, plays for Everton in the EPL. He's 25 years old. He mostly uses his right foot. Right now, I think he's valued at about 14.5 million euros. So he's a talented player with a lot of potential. He mostly plays on the left side, but he can play anywhere across that front three. He's a very versatile player. He can play pretty much all the positions across the front three, left wing, right wing, as a striker, and also as an attacking midfielder. So he's a very talented player. Bags of tricks, and Jamaica need somebody like Demarai Gray. We don't play with a lot of wingers or traditional wingers. We tend to put number 9s out on the wing, so we don't get that full potential. So we have a specialized winger that should become available for us, and we're happy for this news. Demarai Gray has been doing well in the Premiership this season. Good season so far with the Toffees. He made that transfer from Bayer Leverkusen, only played 6 months over there in Germany. Made 10 appearances, but he's back in the EPL. He was previously in the EPL with Leicester City, also winning a title with Leicester City. Was a bench player for the most part for Leicester City. So now he's back in the EPL in a good role, playing with Everton as a starter, as a regular. So far this season, he played 16 games for the Toffees, scored 5 goals and assisted on 2. He's also a very good passer, with 82% of his passes being successful. So playing out wide, drifting in the middle, getting off at least 2.2 shots per game, excellent passer. It's the type of thing that we need for the Reggae Boyz. Somebody that is active, lively, full of tricks, very direct. He's very direct. He won't be turning back the balls to the midfielders and to the goalkeeper. Somebody going to be a constant threat, especially if he plays on that left hand side. And we hope to have Liam Bailey on the other side for future games. So we have 2 proper wingers on the left and the right, creating havoc. I want Demarai Gray to be that Alphonso Davies for us. We want him to threaten and strike fear in defenders down that left hand side. And I think if we have that, we should be winning games. We should look better as a team, and Paul Hall now has the choice to select him. I think Demarai Gray's documentation, the paperwork should be ready for that game against Mexico at the office. So it's in the final stages, so that paperwork should be completed, and we're just counting down the days, so that we'll have Demarai Gray in the setup. Definitely he will be getting selected and signing that contract as well, and representing Jamaica. That's what we want. So big up Demarai Gray. Again, good move by the JFF, going out there seeking out new talent. He's just 25, so he's one for the future as well. So if we don't qualify for this World Cup, he'll be there for 2026. Prime Demarai Gray. So we're taking our time building, and hopefully with Paul Hall at the helm, we can go much further and actually be a powerhouse in football. So let me know in the comment section below. Are you happy with Demarai Gray putting on the Jamaican colours and representing Jamaica? Should we have done this long time ago? But he's now on his way. Let me know what you think about this. in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.